Okay, let's do another little swatching in my menu book. I think you've all seen that now. This is my menu book that I swatch out, any of my new supplies, new paints, anything that I have in my studio, just so I can easily go to them, find them easily. Where did I have that? There we are. Okay, so I have just received some of the QoR watercolour paints from Golden. These are my first ones, so I haven't used these before, so I thought I would jump in, grab a few colours and see what I like. It has a different binder, so it's certainly going to be different. Apparently it's very vibrant, and I do love Golden acrylic. It's just beautiful. It's my favourite, so maybe we will swap everything over to these in future. Anyway, let's get into it. So I've got Titanium Buff, Bohemian Green Earth, Parole Red Deep, and Quinacridone Violet. Let's get into it. Just a little dollop there, just a little bit. Clean brush, clean water. Let's just have a bit of a play. Bring it down. Beautiful. I knew I was going to love these. Yeah, very nice. Let's try the green. I just always try and get some colours that I don't have already. See, just a little bit. Oh, I don't want to get that binder out. The binder needs to stay in there. Let's see what that's like. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm a goner. They're very nice. Really vibrant. And a little bit into the titanium, and that's going to be lovely. Okay. Parole Red Deep. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, look, I do love Golden acrylics and the vibrancy that they've got here. Certainly going to be interesting. The binder, different situation with the binder rather than what are they using? Aquazole is their binder. So yeah, something different. Whew. I'm going to love this one too. Oh wow. Well, that's going to go nicely on my new paper that I picked up. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Put it in here. Yeah. Red. Put it together. Yeah, I very much like that. All right, there you go. If you've got some already, let me know in the comments below. Tell me what you think. But, I think I might have a new favourite. There we go. Love to know your thoughts.